Did you know that these magnificent peacocks aren't just symbols of beauty and grace, but also a goldmine for smart farmers? Most people think of raising chickens, ducks, or even ostriches, but peacock farming is an untapped market with massive profit potential. Some farms are making tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars annually. But how? In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of peacock farming, covering everything from startup costs and daily care to the secrets behind turning this into a booming business. We'll also explore real success stories, the challenges you might face, and expert tips to maximize your profits. Whether you're a farmer looking for a new venture or just curious about this unique industry, you won't want to miss this. Peacocks have captivated human fascination for thousands of years. In ancient Egypt, they were associated with immortality and divine protection. In India, they were sacred birds, believed to represent wisdom and prosperity. Even in the Ming Dynasty of China, peacocks symbolized rank and high status. But beyond cultural symbolism, peacocks were a privilege of the elite. Kings, emperors, and aristocrats kept them as living treasures in their grand palaces and gardens. Fast forward to today, and peacock farming has evolved from being a luxury pet industry to a lucrative commercial venture. Countries like India, the United States, and parts of Europe have seen a surge in commercial peacock farming. Entrepreneurs are tapping into this high-value market, leveraging these birds for their meat, feathers, and even tourism opportunities. The transition from ornamental status to economic asset is what makes peacock farming one of the most fascinating industries in modern agriculture. Peacock farming is more than just raising beautiful birds. It's a business with massive earning potential. While most people think of livestock farming in terms of cows, chickens, or pigs, peacocks offer a unique niche with significantly higher returns. So, what exactly makes peacock farming so profitable? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the market value. A healthy adult Indian blue peacock typically sells for $500 to $2,000, depending on its health and feather quality. But if you're breeding rare varieties like white peacocks or the exotic purple peafowl, their value can soar up to $5,000 per bird. Now, imagine owning just 20 high-value peacocks. That's an easy $50,000 to $100,000 in revenue from bird sales alone. But selling birds isn't the only way to make money. Smart peacock farmers diversify their income streams, turning their farms into multiple revenue-generating businesses. One of the biggest growth markets is ecotourism. Many farms now charge visitors $10 to $50 just to experience these magnificent birds up close. Some larger farms easily make thousands per month from ticket sales alone. Zoos and wildlife parks are another great market. These institutions are always on the lookout for exotic birds, and peacocks are a high-demand species. Selling a few birds to a zoo or safari park can bring in steady profits year after year. Ever thought about renting peacocks? It's a real business. In countries like India, China, and even the US, peacocks are symbols of wealth and prosperity, making them a highly requested feature at weddings and luxury events. Some farmers charge $300 to $500 per event just to rent out their birds for a few hours. And then there's the fashion and art industry. Since peacocks naturally shed their feathers once a year, farmers can collect and sell them without harming the birds. High-quality peacock feathers are used in everything from luxury clothing and home decor to jewelry and ceremonial accessories. A single premium feather can sell for $5 to $20, while a full set can bring in hundreds of dollars per bird. Now, Let's compare peacock farming to traditional livestock farming. The biggest advantage? Lower operational costs. Unlike cows or pigs, which require large pastures and expensive feed, peacocks are relatively low maintenance. They thrive in smaller enclosures with enough room to roam, meaning a single acre can comfortably house 50 to 100 birds. They also have lower feeding costs. A peacock's diet consists of grains, greens, and insects, costing around $10 to $20 per month per bird. Compare that to cattle, which require hundreds of dollars in monthly feed. Peacocks are also naturally hardy birds, requiring minimal veterinary care compared to other livestock. This means lower expenses and higher profit margins for farmers. So when you add it all up, high market prices, multiple revenue streams, and low operating costs, it's clear why peacock farming is one of the most lucrative niche farming businesses today. Now that we understand the earning potential, let's talk about what it takes to start your very own successful peacock farm. Well, here's the thing. Successful peacock farming isn't just about buying a few birds and hoping for the best. If you want to maximize your profits, you need to choose the right breed, set up a well-designed farm, and ensure proper nutrition and care. Let's break it all down. The first step is choosing the right breed. The Indian blue peacock is the most common and the best choice for beginners. It's hardy, adaptable, and has high demand in the market. But if you're looking for higher profits, you might want to consider the rarer breeds. White and purple peacocks are much more valuable due to their unique coloration. A single white peacock can sell for up to $5,000. However, they require more specialized care to maintain their distinct feather colors, making them a better option for experienced breeders. Once you've picked your breed, the next step is building the perfect farm environment. Peacocks don't just need space, they need a natural setting to truly thrive. Each adult peacock requires at least 1,000 to 2,000 square feet of space to roam freely. Your farm should have plenty of shade, grass, and covered areas to keep the birds comfortable in different weather conditions. And let's talk about fencing. These birds can fly up to 8 feet, so you need high enclosures to prevent them from escaping. Plus, good fencing protects them from predators like foxes, coyotes, and stray dogs, which are major threats to peacock farms. Now, let's talk about what you feed your peacocks, because diet plays a huge role in their health and feather quality. Peacocks are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant-based and protein-rich foods. A well-balanced diet includes grains like corn and wheat, fresh greens, and live insects such as mealworms or crickets. And here's a secret. If you want your peacocks to grow brighter, more vibrant feathers, make sure to include essential minerals like calcium and zinc in their diet. This will not only improve their appearance, but also increase their market value if you plan to sell feathers or live birds. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more unique business ideas. And don't forget to share this with someone who might be interested in peacock farming.